How to assess digital readiness of your process plants.
Digitally advanced plants are better positioned to respond to market changes and maintain competitive advantages. According to a recently published report, only 11% of companies have adopted generative AI at scale. However, a rising number of manufacturing organizations are aiming for digital transformation. So, the important question is your plant digital ready? Assessing the digital readiness of your process plants is crucial for understanding how well equipped your facility is to adopt and integrate digital technologies. Here are 7 steps to help you to assess your process plant's readiness for digital transformation. 1. Start by examining your existing IT infrastructure, both hardware and software, to ensure they can support new digital tools and applications, such as IoT devices, big data analytics, and cloud computing. Also, evaluate the internet connectivity and network security, as robust and secure data transmission is essential to run digital operations. 2. Examine your plant's current data collection and management systems. Effective digital transformation requires the ability to gather, store, and process data efficiently. Hence, check whether your plant has the capacity to handle increased data flows, and if it can seamlessly integrate data from various sources. Next, conduct a security assessment to ensure that your plant's network and data can be protected against cyber threats. Remember, this is a critical consideration when implementing digital solutions. 3. Assessing your workforce's digital skills and readiness for change is a critical to-do item. Though organizations of the future will be enabled by Gen AI, still they will be driven by people, for people. Hence, determine if training programs are needed to upskill employees to handle new digital technologies and workflows. 4. Review the current automation level within your plant. Identify processes that are still manual and could benefit from digitization and automation. Assessing automation potential is crucial for streamlining operations and reducing human error. 5. Check into the financial investment required for digital upgrades and calculate the potential return on investment, including cost savings and productivity gains. This financial analysis helps in making informed investment decisions. 6. Engage with stakeholders throughout the assessment process. Include insights from your company's top management, IT staff, and shop floor employees to get a comprehensive view of digital readiness and the specific needs of your plant. 7. Finally, develop a strategic plan based on the assessment findings. This plan must prioritize areas with the highest impact on operational efficiency and outline steps for technology adoption. In addition, implement a pilot project to test how digital technologies impact specific aspects of your operations. This allows for real-time adjustments and assessments before a full-scale rollout. By methodically assessing and enhancing digital readiness of your process plants, you can successfully run digital transformation initiatives within your plant, improve output, reduce errors, enhance operational excellence, and get the best ROI.
Visit drshruti.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.